Welcome to this explainer. Did you know adding complete metadata can literally triple your image search views?
Yep, the IPTC found that photos with full metadata get up to 3 times more views. Crazy, right?
The bottom line? If your photos lack metadata, they're basically invisible to algorithms and search engines. A plain JPEG missing a title, keywords, or copyright just gets completely ignored by indexing systems. This invisibility totally kills your SEO. Giants like Google and Pinterest rely entirely on metadata for ranking.
For stock platforms like Adobe Stock or Getty, having structured metadata is an absolute must-have for submissions.
And over in e-commerce, sites like Etsy and Shopify need this data to match products with buyers.
So, the fix? You've got to inject hidden Exif, IPTC, and XMP data right into your source files.
Let's quickly compare the top 3 injection tools to see which one actually fits your daily workflow. Exif Injector is the absolute fastest way to inject metadata right in your browser. Zero setup required.
It processes hundreds of images instantly, using AI for keywords and platform presets to keep you compliant.
Now, if you're a developer comfortable with scripts, Exif Tool is a free, powerful command line alternative.
But watch out, the Nielsen-Norman Group says command line tools take 3 to 5 times longer to learn.
Finally, for pro photographers, Adobe Lightroom lets you seamlessly inject metadata right during your color grading workflow.
Ultimately, your choice boils down to just 3 things: image volume, technical comfort, and your current workflow.
So take a hard look at your own portfolio. Is your absolute best work currently sitting there invisible?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.